Verifying your Bitget account is essential for unlocking higher training limits and accessing additional features. Here's how to verify your Bitget account. Log in. Sign into your Bitget account on the Bitget website or mobile app. Access verification section. Navigate to the account or profile section of your Bitget account. Look for an option related to verification or identity verification. Start verification process. Initiate the verification process by clicking on the verification option. Follow the prompts provided. Provide personal information. You will be asked to provide personal information such as your full name, date of birth, and residential address. Ensure the information matches the details on your identification documents. Upload documents. Bitget typically requires you to upload supporting documents to verify your identity. This may include a government-issued photo ID and proof of address. Submit verification request. Once you've provided all the required information and uploaded the necessary documents, submit your verification request. Wait for approval. Bitget will review your verification request. This process may take some time, so be patient. You will receive a notification once your account has been successfully verified. Enjoy verified features. Once verified, you will have access to higher training limits and additional features on the Bitget platform.